Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Arrived app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Arrived is a real estate investment app that allows everyday users to buy shares in rental homes across the U.S. The platform handles property selection, maintenance, and management. All you do is invest and earn passive income through rent and potential appreciation. It's designed for people who want to invest in real estate without owning or managing physical property themselves. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is beginner-friendly with a smooth onboarding process and clear breakdowns of each property, including financials and expected returns. Users praise the simplicity of investing with as little as $100 and the transparency Arrived offers about how properties are chosen and managed. Earnings from rent are paid out quarterly, and the dashboard makes it easy to track investments. That said, there are a few concerns. Some users find the limited liquidity restrictive, as funds are typically locked in for several years. While the platform is stable and reliable, there's no guarantee of returns, and real estate market risks still apply. Also, some users would like more frequent updates on property performance. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Arrived is worth using if you want to diversify your investments through real estate without the hassle of ownership. It's simple, accessible, and professionally managed, ideal for passive income seekers. However, be mindful of the long-term commitment and lack of immediate liquidity. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.